If he is allowed to play around in your mind, he doesn't have to do much more than watch you destroy yourself. Why do I say that? The devil knows about your free will. So if he can convince you to choose to do evil and forget God, you are on his turf. Then things like a reprobated mind come into play. Strongholds take effect. You begin to feel lost and bound by sin. I would like to challenge you to begin to wait. When you get angry or your thoughts begin to take you too fast, remind yourself to wait. While you are in the pause of the wait, I want you to remember to W-E-Y-T, wait. Willfully examine your thoughts. If you see a friend or a co-worker in a rage, yell for them to wait. Spell out W-E-Y-T. I would like to see flyers go up in schools and break rooms and mental health facilities, police stations, bars, and even the Oval Office of the White House that simply say W-E-Y-T. Willfully examine your thoughts. Spread this message. Flood your Facebook timelines, Instagram it, tweet it, and tweet it again, until we all get the message that we need to take time to think about what we are thinking before we act. This simple message in the right place at the right time could save a life, or 2, or 50.